For over 2,000 years, people have called black seed oil the cure for everything except death. That sounds dramatic, right? But modern research is uncovering something fascinating. This tiny seed may actually support the body against some of the most serious health problems we face today. In this video, I'll show you the top 7 diseases black seed oil could help with. And number 3 will surprise you the most. Stick with me until the end, because you'll also learn how to safely add it into your routine. Disease number 1, diabetes. Let's begin with diabetes, a condition that affects how your body processes sugar. For many people, keeping blood sugar under control feels like a daily battle. Research suggests that black seed oil may provide an extra layer of support. One of its key compounds, thymoquinone, appears to help reduce oxidative stress in the pancreas, the very organ responsible for producing insulin. This matters because when pancreatic cells are under stress, they can't release insulin efficiently, leading to higher blood sugar. In some clinical trials, people who used black seed oil alongside their regular treatment showed improvements in fasting blood sugar and even reductions in HbA1c levels, which measure long-term glucose control. Scientists also believe black seed oil may slow down the absorption of sugar in the gut, giving the body more time to handle glucose without dramatic spikes. Now, this doesn't replace your medication or a doctor's advice, but it does highlight black seed oil as a promising natural aid that could support better blood sugar balance when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Disease number 2, high blood pressure. Next on the list is high blood pressure, often called the silent killer, because most people don't feel any symptoms until serious damage is already done. Over time, uncontrolled blood pressure puts tremendous strain on the arteries, making them stiff and narrow, which raises the risk of heart attack, stroke, and kidney disease. Some research suggests that black seed oil may offer gentle support in this area. Compounds within the oil, especially thymoquinone, appear to help relax the smooth muscles of blood vessels. When those vessels are less tense, blood can flow more freely, which helps bring pressure down naturally. In fact, a few small clinical studies found that people who used black seed oil daily experienced modest but meaningful reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Of course, this doesn't mean you can toss out your prescription, but as part of a heart-friendly lifestyle that includes exercise, reduced salt intake, and a balanced diet, black seed oil could play a supportive role in keeping blood pressure within healthier ranges. Disease number 3, asthma and respiratory issues. Now, this one gets really fascinating. Black seed oil has shown potential benefits for asthma and other breathing problems. Asthma, as you may know, is triggered when the airways become inflamed, and the muscles around them tighten, making it hard to move air in and out of the lungs. This can leave people feeling short of breath, wheezy, or constantly coughing. Researchers have found that compounds in black seed oil, especially thymoquinone, act a bit like natural bronchodilators. That means they may help relax the airway muscles so air can pass through more freely. In addition, its strong anti-inflammatory effects can calm swelling in the respiratory tract, which is often what triggers asthma flare-ups in the first place. In small clinical studies, people who supplemented with black seed oil reported fewer asthma symptoms and improved lung function. While it's not a substitute for inhalers or prescribed medications, black seed oil may provide extra support for those seeking to breathe a little easier and keep their airways healthier over time. Disease number 4, arthritis. Next is arthritis, one of the most common conditions that can make even simple daily tasks painful. Arthritis isn't just aching joints. It's actually a disease where inflammation damages the tissues that cushion and protect our bones. Over time, this leads to stiffness, swelling, and the kind of grinding pain that limits movement and independence. Black seed oil has attracted attention because of its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Studies show that compounds in the oil may help block certain inflammatory pathways in the body, which could ease swelling in the joints. Some research even noted improvements in grip strength and walking ability among people with rheumatoid arthritis who used black seed oil regularly. What makes this especially interesting is that black seed oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to relieve pain, and modern science is beginning to confirm those uses. While it's certainly not a cure, adding black seed oil as a natural supplement, alongside exercise, stretching, and a balanced diet, may provide extra relief and help people with arthritis maintain better mobility. Disease number 5. Heart disease. Heart disease continues to be the #1 cause of death around the world, and much of it is linked to poor cholesterol balance and damaged blood vessels. When LDL cholesterol, often called the bad cholesterol, builds up, it forms sticky plaques that narrow the arteries. Over time, this restricts blood flow and raises the risk of heart attack and stroke. Black seed oil has been studied for its potential role in protecting the cardiovascular system. Several trials suggest it may help reduce LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, while at the same time boosting HDL, the good cholesterol that actually helps clear fat deposits from arteries. This balancing effect is critical for long-term heart protection. Beyond cholesterol, the powerful antioxidants in black seed oil may also shield blood vessel walls from oxidative stress, which is a key driver of atherosclerosis. While no single supplement can prevent heart disease, black seed oil may serve as a helpful partner when combined with proven strategies like regular exercise, a heart-healthy diet, and stress management. Disease number 6. Stomach ulcers and digestive issues. Now, let's move to the digestive system. Stomach ulcers are painful open sores that form in the lining of the stomach or small intestine. They're often linked to an infection with Helicobacter pylori bacteria or long-term use of anti-inflammatory drugs like aspirin. Left untreated, ulcers can lead to bleeding, severe pain, and serious complications. Black seed oil has shown promise in this area because of its ability to protect the stomach lining and balance stomach acid levels. Some studies suggest that compounds in the oil may reduce excessive acid buildup, which is one of the main triggers for ulcer formation. Even more interesting, black seed oil has demonstrated antibacterial effects against H. pylori, the very bacteria responsible for most ulcers worldwide. Beyond ulcers, black seed oil has a long history in traditional medicine for easing digestive discomforts such as bloating, indigestion, gas, and stomach cramps. While it's not a substitute for medical treatment, it may act as a natural digestive aid and support overall gut health when used responsibly. Disease number 7. Cancer. Supportive research. Finally, let's look at one of the most sensitive but also most fascinating areas of black seed oil research: cancer. Cancer develops when damaged cells grow uncontrollably, forming tumors that can spread throughout the body. Modern medicine uses treatments like chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery to fight it, but scientists are always exploring natural compounds that might offer extra support. In laboratory studies, thymoquinone, the key active compound in black seed oil, has shown the ability to slow the growth of certain cancer cells and even trigger a process called apoptosis, or programmed cell death. This is how the body clears harmful cells. Research also suggests thymoquinone may reduce oxidative stress, which contributes to cancer. It's important to stress that black seed oil is not a cure, but scientists are exploring its potential as supportive therapy alongside conventional treatments, showing just how powerful and versatile this tiny seed is, and why it continues to fascinate researchers worldwide. As you can see, black seed oil has remarkable potential to support the body against some of the most serious diseases. But remember, it's never a replacement for medical treatment. Always check with your doctor before starting any supplement. Now, if you found this video helpful, You'll love my other video on the 10 biggest benefits of black seed oil. It dives into how this oil supports immunity, skin health, and overall wellness. I'll link it here on the screen and in the description below. Make sure to watch it next. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss my latest natural health insights.